Before the opening bell, U.S. indices closing mixed on Wednesday. Shares in semiconductor and semiconductor equipment, energy and bank sectors all under pressure, while shares in utilities, as well as pharmaceuticals, biotech and life sciences, and commercial and professional services, they all gained traction. On the economic docket, MBA mortgage applications grew by 26.8% in the week ended June 7th, compared with 1.5% the previous week. Next, CPI growing by 0.1% for the month of May. On a year-on-year basis, the CPI grew by 1.8% for May. Lastly, the monthly budget statement presented a deficit of $207.8 billion in May. This as 52% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, Lululemon Athletica unveiling first quarter EPS of 74 cents versus 70 cents expected on sales of $782.3 million. Asian markets lower today. The Nikkei down 0.46%. The Hang Seng down 0.05%. China CSI 300 down 0.15%. South Korea's Kospi down 0.27%. European markets gaining ground. The U.S. futures calling for a positive start. Now, in terms of expectations today, Broadcom second quarter EPS seen at $5.15 on sales of approximately $5.7 billion. On the economic front, 8:30 in the morning, we have May import prices and export prices, and we also have initial and continuing jobless claims figures. Turning over to the markets, the S&P 500 sees its key resistance at 28.92, while the Nasdaq sees 73.97 in sight, and the Dow Jones sees its key resistance at 26,075. That's in focus. As long as the resistance is at 26,075, as long as that figure is not surpassed, the risk of a break below 25,900 remains high. Short positions below 26,075 are favored, with targets at 25,900 and 25,825 in extension.